this one, we will choose a color of the cube. In this case, the color that we decided to use was the green. The thing that you have to do after choosing the phaser color is that you have to pull all the edges of the selected colors, making in this form a cross. Verify that the cross fits with the bottom center and the cross is of the same color all the squares.
Complete the site that you choose at the beginning of the video. Then, put the rest of the edges in the other colors. First one, you have to ubicate them at the moment that you have cloned this. You have to put in the other side of the colors of the top.
The next step is complete the face that you just crossed with the rest of the squares. Now you have done the last step with one of all the colors. Make another cross like in the beginning, but in an opposite color. The next step is complete the face that you just crossed with the rest of the squares.
You have to obtain that in the rest of the colors, the both edges of the square are ubicated to the color that you completed in the step before. These had to have the same color that in their center. Finally, the only thing that rests to complete this Rubik cube is to rolling it till you solve your cube with the 6 faces complete.